RCS is the leading cold storage provider in the Philippines. We are the first cold storage that is FSSC certified. RCS started its commercial operations in 2010. We established our first cold storage in Taytay, Rizal. We have now a total of 5 sites, which includes Marilao, Bulacan, Plaridel, Bulacan, in Cabuyao, Laguna, and the 5th site we are building in Villasis, Pangasinan. So once we start operations of our 5th site in Villasis, we will be the biggest cold storage provider in the Philippines. RCS is also certified under the ISO 9001 Quality Management System. We are also certified under ISO 14001, the Environmental Management System, as well as the ISO 45001, which is the Occupational Health and Safety Management System. They see that our service is of highest quality, and we take care of their product safety. When we started the cold storage operation, we are basically using a paper-based system. Doing it manual, you rely mostly with your people to do it. Human errors that happen. There's a possibility that some products are expired before you release it to our clients. With the AEB system, it is an intelligent system, by the way. It instructs you which product you should release first through their inventory management system. When I analyze their system, they are one of the top-tier warehouse management systems. And because of that, we selected AEB to be our partner.
In a fast-paced industry such as ours, we have to be very fast as well as accurate. To achieve that, we need this tool that AEB has provided us. And with this, we are quite confident that we can hurdle the future challenges that our customers, our very demanding customers, require from us in the future. The support and guidance of the AEB project management team enabled us to transition smoothly into the implementation of the warehouse management system, the digitalization. In order to make it quite seamless, they have established this open communication system. We communicate with each other 24/7 since we are operating 24 hours, 7 days a week, full year round. They did not left us hanging. They were very responsive and very accommodating. The barcode scanners that was provided by Honeywell, the CN80 model, was a user-friendly device. Our MHE operators and inventory custodians, they are the ones using it on a daily basis. They just have to scan the barcode and it will process automatically where to put the palletized food, and then it will already be updated in the system.
Real-time inventory in the operation help us to manage and plan ahead of time. So with the accurate data, accurate real-time inventory, we can provide this to our client and they can plan ahead of time during dispatching. AEB make it efficient. Real-time inventory means real data being planned, and with this preparation, it comes easier. We can locate and identify which product to dispatch. With this, you are saving the time. It will help us to gain faster transaction, dispatch faster, and it will help us benefit both sides.
Our experience with AEB, from top management down the line, it has cascaded confidence in executing our core processes. Definitely, as we gear up toward operational excellence, we will be able to see where our lapses are, what are our strengths, and what are our opportunities that can be maximized as we go along. Because of these AEB solutions, it is within reach for us to become the top choice all throughout the Philippines.
RCS is a long-time customer of ours, more than 10 years ago. We started during the time that they have their first facility, cold storage facility in Taytay, Rizal. As Prime Sales, we provide the material handling equipment and storage solutions, while AEB provides the warehouse management system or the software. With a global partner like AEB, we have the best practices and best solutions that we cater to our customers. We believe that the software, AEB, and our products can give the total solutions that they need to cater the expansion.
From the first year that we used AEB, I'm really very happy and satisfied. Not only because of their system, which is very straightforward, systematic, very efficient system, but more importantly is their after-sales service. AEB Germany sometimes joins our call to be able to resolve some issues. My advice to other companies that are into warehouse operations is going digital is the way to go forward. When you go digital, you look at a provider that provides not only the right system, but will be able to support you even on the after-sales service, which can make sure that you have a seamless transition from a paper-based to a digital warehouse management system. When we started AEB, we are at 25,000 pallet position, and now we are at 65,000 pallet position. We will be the biggest and largest cold storage. We will still continue to grow, going to the Visayas and Mindanao, and maybe other countries in Asia.
What we pride ourselves on, is that we always make sure that we listen to the customer, and ensure that all the pain points are covered comprehensively. So it's not just at the start we ask them, and then we forget about them in the end. We always make sure that they are always part of the development process. At the end of the day, they get a solution that is for them, and it becomes a journey with them, all of us actually. Motto here at AEB is that we make things happen with our software. So by using our solutions, we want to provide our customers with the visibility and control over their supply chain. The dream, is to make sure that all our customers are with us throughout the whole process. They grow with us, we grow with them. So that's kind of the dream for us.